Welcome. Today, we're diving into an exciting feature on Instagram that lets you share your creative reels with friends and followers through your story. Adding your reels to your Instagram story not only helps showcase your content, but also keeps your audience engaged. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the steps. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to share what you've created. Once you're in, look for the plus icon at the bottom center of the screen. This is your gateway to creating a new reel. Next, tap the plus icon to get started on your new reel. You can either record a new video or upload an existing one from your gallery. Choose the option that best suits your creative vision. Now it's time to get creative. Edit your reel by adding music, effects, and other features to make it truly your own. You have the power to enhance your video and grab your audience's attention, so take advantage of Instagram's editing tools. Once you're satisfied with your edits, tap Next. You'll be taken to a screen where you can add a caption and adjust your sharing settings. Then tap Share to post your reel. But we're not done yet. To add your reel to your story, look for the paper airplane icon, which is the share icon located below your post. Finally, tap Add to Story. Voila! Your reel is now live on your Instagram story where your friends and followers can enjoy it. Remember, sharing reels to your story is a great way to connect with your audience and keep your content fresh.